Good morning, everybody. This is a very special Monday morning because we have come to the end of our botany and zoology lessons of the year. And today we will look at the names of animals and plants and flowers, and we will decide what category they belong to. Now, I wrote the name in cursive because we're at the end of our school year and I love cursive. It is so beautiful. So our first card is the angel fish. And you have that at home, and you can write angel fish either in print or cursive. The next one is the frog. You can color and write frog. Here we have the snake. This is a really long snake. I made it green. And the sparrow. Now I had to cheat a little bit with the color here because you won't see a sparrow with this light green chest, but I didn't have a brown. If you have brown or gray, then, and you want to make it like it is in nature, then color it a different color. There also is no blue lioness, right? This is the female, the mama lion. And I chose to make it light blue, and I wrote in cursive, lioness, the female lion. Here we have a cougar. The cougar is another cat. The lion is a cat and the cougar is a cat. Look at those long legs. We have had this a lot in our lessons with reading and writing. The dog. It's a pet. You know, we didn't have a horse as a pet, and that's probably kind of like a borderline category. A lot of people love horses and they spend most of their times with horses. Here's a beetle. You can see right away on this one side that we see of the beetle, there's 1, 2, 3 legs. So on the other side, there are probably 3 legs, right? The beetle. Oh, and here's our beloved butterfly. And at the very end, we have a banana and a petunia. A flower that does very well in flower or garden boxes, in balcony boxes. And they have very many vibrant different colors. So now let's see what categories these animals belong to. So here I have a second card. I colored it the same, so it is the cougar. The cougar, we just said, is a cat, and we know cats are mammals. So the cougar, that's the breed. The category is a mammal. Ribbit. The frog is an amphibian. We had a lot of time and lessons with amphibians. Remember, they went through that transformation from tadpole to frog. Frog, amphibian. Look at this cute little guy. The beetle, since it has 6 legs, we right away know the beetle is an insect. We put it like this. There's so many different beetles. If they had little dots, it would be a ladybug. The snake is a reptile. A reptile is cold-blooded, you know that. And they need the sunshine to move. That's why you see often snakes laying at the side or even in the middle of the road, because the roads are so hot and the snakes soak up the heat from the road. Snake is a reptile. These are very easy to identify. The sparrow is a bird. Birds have wings, their bones are hollow so they can fly, they lay eggs, and they have feathers. Sparrow, bird. Here's the lioness. The lioness, just like the cougar, is a mammal. Cats are mammals. So we have so far 2 representations of a mammal. Lioness, mammal. So you have 2 sets of all these cards, and you can write the very same names or labels. Lioness, mammal. The angelfish is a fish. It has it in its name. That was the very first category in January we started with, was the fish. In evolution, that is the beginning of the development. I know the camera doesn't show this one card, so I'm going to lift it up one more time. Angelfish belongs to the category of fish. The horse. The horse is a mammal, and we have differentiated a little bit that there are mammals that have hoofs. So the horse has hoofs, just like cows and zebras and goats. So these are hoofed mammals. Horse, mammal. And the dog is a mammal. So we have different examples of mammals. The lioness, the cougar, the dog, and the horse, they are all mammals. The butterfly, I'm sure you remember that the butterfly is an insect, just like the beetle. And we had the grasshopper also as an example of insects. Butterfly, insect. The banana is a fruit. It's not a vegetable, but a fruit. It belongs to the group or category of fruit. And the petunia is a flower or plant, and it belongs to the category of flowers. And there we have it. What a year we have had, learning so much about plants, meaning flowers, fruit and vegetable, and learning about all these different breeds and categories of animals. Have fun making this last set of cards for yourself and to sort and organize them accordingly. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow morning.